We were having issues with our previous coolant, bacteria buildup, smell, all that kind of stuff. So got sick of cleaning out coolant tanks and made a change. Well, cleaning out the coolant tank is one thing. You know, every 3 to 6 months would be a issue that we'd have to deal with. Switching to master fluid has been, we don't even do it once a year, I'd say now. Just the bacteria has been gone within the last year. We haven't cleaned a coolant tank. Other coolants leave a oily residue on the table or vices or things like that. So overnight, you come in the next morning, everything's covered in oil. Not great. We have had no problem like that with master fluid. It's been a lot better for us in the maintenance standpoint of dealing with coolant. When it comes to running certain materials, that would matter. When it comes to the part heating up or the tool heating up, it's gonna decrease your tool life, that kind of stuff. For what we do here, it doesn't matter. It's more of a convenience type aspect where you don't want your hands feeling oily all day. You don't want some other coolants. We use high pressure coolant, so it turns to mist. Guys are breathing that in. You don't want guys coughing. So something that's safe for the body, safe for the operators and guys we have running the machines is what we ultimately decided to choose. That's what helps us most with master fluid. Everyone wore gloves. You'd wait until the coolant would dissipate before you open the doors. Not a great experience, if I'm being honest. Coming in the morning and not having everything covered in oil or chips sticking to everything because it's not covered in oil has been a massive change from what we used to have. No, we tried a couple different kinds, so it's just an input type thing. I don't remember, I think we tried 3 oils total, and master fluid is just ultimately what we chose. I'd say cost was a big part, and then also you'd still get some residual oil or some toxic feeling, breathing in type stuff, to where master fluid just kind of checked all the boxes for us. To get a little technical, the concentration they want is a lot less than other places, so you're using less oil in a sense. So that is helpful. It's less filling of the coolant tanks. You're not breathing in anything harmful. No residual oil. Price is great, so that's what I would say. Absolutely, that's always better, especially being a machine shop. That's how we'd like to have it. So yeah, that's great. That's awesome. I would talk to the guys that are in the machine the most. When it comes to a comfortability or a convenience for the guys that are actually in the machines, I think that matters the most. So it's one thing for me to sit up in the office and say, yeah, this coolant's better. It's another thing to actually ask the guys using it. Oh, absolutely. So you forget coolant on certain materials, your tool breaks. So having the confidence of a coolant that actually does a phenomenal job of keeping things cool is one less worry you have to worry about.